15. The butterfly, Pieridae, symbols of transformation. Butterflies are often seen as symbols of transformation, and their life cycle is a testament to nature's wonders. After mating, females lay their eggs on specific plants that will provide food for the larvae. Once hatched, the caterpillars eat voraciously, growing quickly before entering the chrysalis stage. Inside the chrysalis, a remarkable transformation occurs, and when the butterfly emerges, it is a completely different creature. Butterflies feed on nectar, pollinating flowers as they go. Their short lives are spent flitting from bloom to bloom, continuing the cycle of life with elegance and beauty. The housefly, nature's cleaners. Though often considered pests, houseflies play a crucial role in breaking down waste. After mating, females lay their eggs on decaying organic matter, like food waste or animal carcasses. The larvae, known as maggots, feed on this material, helping to decompose it and return nutrients to the soil. Flies are highly adaptable, capable of surviving in almost any environment. While their presence in homes is unwelcome, they are nature's cleaners, ensuring that dead matter is recycled efficiently. Their rapid life cycle means that new generations are constantly being born, continuing their essential, though often overlooked, role in ecosystems. 13. The cicada. The long sleepers cicadas are famous for their long life cycles, with some species spending up to 17 years underground as nymphs. When the time comes, they emerge en masse, shedding their exoskeletons and transforming into winged adults. Their loud, buzzing call is a mating song, produced by males to attract females. After mating, females lay their eggs in tree branches, and the nymphs fall to the ground, burrowing into the soil to start the cycle again. Cicadas' synchronized emergence creates a phenomenon where predators are overwhelmed by their sheer numbers, ensuring many cicadas survive to reproduce. 12. The cricket. Nighttime serenaders. Crickets are best known for their song, which males produce by rubbing their wings together in a process called stridulation. This song attracts females, who choose their mates based on the quality of the serenade. Once mated, the female lays her eggs in the soil. Crickets are omnivores, feeding on plants, fungi, and small insects. They play a vital role in breaking down organic matter, helping to recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Their nighttime song, often soothing to human ears, is an essential part of nature's soundtrack. 11. The grasshopper. A life on the move. Grasshoppers live life on the move, their powerful hind legs allowing them to leap great distances. During mating season, males produce a courtship song by rubbing their legs against their wings, attracting females with their rhythmic chirping. After mating, the female lays her eggs in the ground, where they remain dormant until the right conditions trigger their hatching. Grasshoppers feed on plants, and their swarming behavior can lead to massive locust plagues, capable of devastating crops. But in their natural environment, they play a crucial role in the food chain, serving as prey for birds, reptiles, and other animals. The cockroach, survivors of the ages. Cockroaches are infamous survivors, having been around since the time of the dinosaurs. After mating, females produce an egg case called an ootheca, which contains multiple eggs. This egg case is carried or deposited in a safe place until the young hatch. Cockroaches are highly adaptable, able to live in a variety of environments, from tropical forests to urban homes. Their resilience to harsh conditions and ability to go without food for long periods make them one of nature's most enduring creatures. While often considered pests, their survival skills are nothing short of remarkable. 9. The firefly. Lighting up the night as dusk falls, fireflies begin to flash, their bioluminescent glow lighting up the night. These insects use their light for one purpose: mating. Males fly through the air, flashing their unique light patterns to attract females. If a female responds with a flash, the two find each other in the dark, and mating begins. The female then lays her eggs in moist soil, where the larvae, known as glowworms, also emit a faint glow. This glow serves as a warning to predators that fireflies taste terrible, a defense mechanism that ensures their survival. Fireflies' enchanting light displays are a reminder of nature's beauty, even in the smallest creatures. 8. The praying mantis. the fearless hunter. Perched on a branch, perfectly still, a praying mantis waits. Her large eyes and triangular head give her an almost alien-like appearance. When prey ventures too close, she strikes with lightning speed, capturing it with her powerful front legs. But the mantis's story isn't just about hunting. During mating, the female often devours her mate, a gruesome but necessary act, providing her with the nutrients needed to lay her eggs. Once her eggs are laid, they are encased in a frothy substance that hardens, protecting them until they hatch. The young nymphs emerge, miniature versions of the adults, ready to continue their life as one of nature's most fearsome predators. 7. The termite. Silent builders, silent destroyers. In a hidden corner of a forest, or sometimes within the walls of a house, a termite colony quietly grows. Termite queens, some of the most long-lived insects, can lay thousands of eggs daily. After mating with a king termite, she will spend the rest of her life deep inside the nest, surrounded by worker termites who care for her and her offspring. While termites are often seen as destructive, especially to wooden structures, they play a vital role in ecosystems. They break down dead wood, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Their complex tunnels and mounds are feats of engineering, and though often overlooked, termites are master architects of the natural world. The ant, a world beneath our feet. Beneath the soil, an ant colony thrives, a world of cooperation and hierarchy. The story begins with the queen, who after her nuptial flight mates and then loses her wings. She finds a suitable place to start her colony, laying her first batch of eggs. The males, their only purpose being reproduction, die shortly after mating. Worker ants, all sterile females, take care of everything, from building the nest, to foraging for food, to defending the colony from predators. Each ant knows its role, and together they create one of nature's most successful societies. Ants communicate through chemical signals called pheromones, directing their colony with precision and purpose. 5. The dragonfly, masters of the skies. Over a still pond, a dragonfly darts gracefully, its wings shimmering in the sunlight. Dragonflies are among the most skilled aerial hunters in the insect world, catching prey mid-flight with pinpoint accuracy. But their story starts underwater. After mating, often in a wheel-like position, the female lays her eggs in water. The larvae, or nymphs, live underwater for months, sometimes years, using their extendable jaws to catch small aquatic creatures. When ready, they crawl out of the water and shed their skin, emerging as sleek adult dragonflies. With incredible speed and agility, these predators of the skies keep insect populations in check. Their lives a blend of water and air. The ladybug, nature's pest control. In the heart of a garden, a tiny red and black ladybug hunts. Her prey, aphids, small, sap-sucking insects that can destroy crops and plants. Ladybugs are nature's pest control, devouring hundreds of aphids in their lifetime. When it's time to mate, the male approaches the female and mates with her for several hours. The female lays her eggs near an aphid colony, ensuring her larvae will have plenty of food when they hatch. The larvae, which look nothing like their parents, are just as hungry as adults, devouring aphids by the dozen. Ladybugs play a crucial role in keeping gardens healthy, their voracious appetites making them heroes of the plant world. The mosquito, a tiny creature with a big impact. In the quiet of a summer evening, the hum of a mosquito is barely noticed until it bites. Female mosquitoes, unlike males who prefer nectar, seek out blood to nourish their developing eggs. After a brief aerial courtship, they mate, and the female is ready to lay her eggs in stagnant water. The mosquito's life cycle begins in water, where the larvae, known as wrigglers, feed on organic matter. Within days, they transform into adults and take flight, continuing the cycle. But this tiny insect, while essential for ecosystems, also carries the potential to spread deadly diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. Despite their small size, mosquitoes have influenced human history more than almost any other creature. 2. The monarch butterfly, a love story on the wind. Monarch butterflies embark on one of nature's most epic journeys, traveling thousands of miles from North America to Mexico. Along the way, males and females perform a delicate aerial dance, mating mid-flight. This union is crucial, as females will lay their eggs on milkweed plants during the migration. Milkweed isn't just any plant, it's a nursery and food source for monarch caterpillars. Once hatched, the caterpillars feast on the toxic leaves, making themselves poisonous to potential predators. After weeks of feeding, they enter their chrysalis stage, undergoing one of nature's most mysterious transformations. They emerge as vibrant butterflies, continuing the cycle of migration, mating, and survival. Monarchs don't just survive, they thrive on an epic scale, their story written in the winds they follow. The honeybee, a queen's flight, and the hive's harmony. Imagine a hive bustling with life. Thousands of honeybees working together, and at the center of it all, the queen, the hive's heartbeat. After her birth, the queen takes to the sky for her one and only mating flight. Drones, the male bees, frantically chase her, hoping to mate. The queen mates with multiple drones during this flight and stores their sperm for life, never needing to mate again. Back at the hive, her primary job is to lay eggs, up to 2,000 a day. But the hive's survival depends on more than just reproduction. Worker bees, all sterile females, build and maintain the hive, collect nectar, and produce honey. They communicate with each other through a dance known as the waggle dance, indicating the location of flowers brimming with nectar. As winter approaches, the honey they've stored will be their lifeline, ensuring the colony survives until spring.